How to use your iPhone as tape measure and ruler. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use your iPhone as tape measure or ruler. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your measure app. Simply search for measure and you should find this app right here. It's a pre-installed app on your iPhone. Open that up and that should open up this app right here. It should open up your camera. Now if you want to measure something, all you have to do is place this point at the area which you want to begin and tap on this add a point option. After you do that, you can then simply scroll till you find the location which you want, the destination basically, then tap on it again. And doing that, you will see the length or you can see how long something is. So let us measure another one here. So let's go and measure this space bar. I'll tap on that, then simply take it to this section here at the end. Put another point there. Let me go back, put another point there, and there you can see it's 9 centimeter. And that's basically how you can use your iPhone as your measure or ruler. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit the like button down below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.